With the Dnipro River being an obstacle hard for both sides to cross, both sides try to conduct missions over the river to sabotage for each other. But once on the water, you become very vulnerable to drones, something Russia has had to learn the hard way multiple times over. Here again, as a fast-going boat tried to cross, Ukraine's skillful drone operator put an end to the mission and destroyed the remains, leaving less for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.